In our never-ending quest to test leisure for you, we're going to do an Italian night. I'm hoping Melissa wants to have some wine. Okay, first setback, dessert is not going to be ready for 4 hours. I can probably survive without dessert till 9. This is the beautiful woman that's going to be making the dessert. Aww. See, I feel like I'm the guy goofing around, just holding the camera as you're working hard.
That's kind of our life, right?
Oh my gosh, that's it. Here, let me help. This is teamwork right here.
I think this is helpful.
What are we going to do today? What's our plan?
We are going to enjoy some Italian food. We're going to do things out of order, and then we're going to enjoy them in order. We're going to have tiramisu for dessert, which is the first thing we're going to make. And then we're going to make gnocchi. Yeah, I took a class on how to make gnocchi because this is one of my favorite things to eat.
We should show that.
Are you ready to have some amazing gnocchi tonight? I'm getting everything set up here for class.
Hi, Melissa.
Hello. Oh, hey, how are you? My name is Melissa. I am here in Rochester, Minnesota.
Already got his raised. You can just mash them with the masher, and then you put the potatoes inside, and you push it down.
All potatoes is good, but russet potatoes is much better because potatoes need more flour. You take away the water, peel. I know it's hard.
On consistency, like should it just be regular yep, I've got one of those, but for the way it looks, is that, I don't know if you can see mine. Does that look about right?
It's going to get combined together with the egg and flour into almost like a dough anyway.
Okay, so what would you like me to do to help out?
Do you want to take the bottle of wine out of the fridge?
Okay, we're gonna get some wine out of the fridge. Ooh, there's the wine. Here's the wine that we've gotten. Even though Melissa told me to do this, I still kind of feel bad because she's still cleaning. You want me to open the wine right now?
Sure.
Okay, well, I still have toothpaste flavor in my mouth though.
Well, you could have brushed your teeth a lot earlier.
Okay, so yeah, sometimes it takes a while on a Sunday for me to get to the point of all the morning groomings. Tell us about this one.
So this is a Soave. It is an Italian wine, and apparently this is not an easy type of wine to get a hold of in our area. We're in Minnesota. It is supposed to be phenomenal. We do not spend more than 20 bucks on a bottle of wine very often, but this one I think was like 35.
What?
Now, one thing that you want to make sure of when drinking a good bottle of wine is that you don't end up with any metally taste in it from the wrapper. So I'm just trying to get this, yeah, there we go, a little further down.
You need some help?
Nope.
Woo! We're not experts at any of the things that we do. We are just leisure testing. So sometimes in your leisure, you might have some fine Italian wine, and that is actually what we're going to have.
Yeah, so we're just
We don't know what you're supposed to eat it with. We don't know when you're supposed to drink it.
Well, it's a white wine, so it should go with light things.
Yeah, I know, but how about this? I don't know what to do about any of this stuff, other than we're going to drink it. What's it called when you smell the wine?
I don't know.
See?
I'm like smelling the bouquet, I believe.
Do they say smelling? I know that there's a fancy name for it.
I don't know the
I bet you
fancy
there's.
name. It's like not oaky, I don't think.
I'm not going to try to explain the flavors.
It's delicious.
Yeah, how about that?
I'll
that's
happily
good.
drink it.
Here's the deal. Get it and drink it. And everything will be fine. So dessert is tiramisu. I'm kind of a klutz. So I'm just going to stay out of it. And I'm going to be holding the camera so you guys can see Melissa make tiramisu. And Melissa, you have never made tiramisu before, right?
I've eaten it plenty, but I've never made it.
She's eaten it plenty, but she's never made it. All right. We've got the lady fingers. The mascarpone.
I think it's mascarpone.
Oh, mascarpone. Heavy whipping cream. I bet you that's good for me. And then some eggs, eh? Is that it?
Well, I'm making some espresso. espresso for it. And then probably we have a little rum left because it's technically supposed to have some rum, I guess.
Oh, we have the dark rum.
Oh, that's right. Oh, we got the dark rum just for this.
Yeah.
Ha! I probably am going to have to do 2 rounds of espresso making. Chris, what if we have to wait until 10 o'clock to enjoy tiramisu? Are you in it for the long haul? Will you stay up for the adventure?
I'm in it for the long haul.
Fire up some espresso. So using an electric mixer in a medium bowl, whip together egg yolks and a 1/4 cup of sugar. You gotta separate the white from the yolk. Woo. Again, we are not experts doing this, but I have learned to keep the instructions in front of me and to read them frequently. Oh, this egg. This is why you do the eggs in a separate thing. It's because sometimes they just don't quite work out right. And this way I don't ruin the yolk that I already have going. Because that one just had broken apart too much. And 2. I'm like envisioning all of the people who do a lot more baking than I do. Like going, okay, Melissa, this would be way better if you did it this way. And if you feel that and if you know the details, please share. Whew. Did it. Whip together egg yolks and a 1/4 cup sugar until very pale yellow and about tripled in volume. You're gonna need to keep, oh, I didn't know my own strength.
Oh, man.
Unless you can fix it.
How am I gonna fix that? That is it's broken.
So this needs to triple in size. I don't know if I'll be a great judge of that. Does that look about right to you?
Not yet. A little bit more. Do you feel Italian?
No. Okay, I think this has got to be about done.
That's a nice colored yellow here.
Let's see, and yep, just a slight ribbon stuck on there, so that's good. There we go. I'm gonna set this to the side.
Okay, so first little obstacle that came up is our little espresso maker only does about almost a cup at a time, right?
Right, I need a cup and 3/4.
And we need a cup and 3/4. Ooh, a cup and 3/4. Don't you think we should use like that square thing because the lady fingers are going to be flat?
You dip them into a shallow bowl.
I don't know what the hell I'm talking about.
So here's something to know about Chris, is he doesn't read recipes or cooking instructions for many things, but then thinks he knows a better way to do it than the professional that came up with the instructions.
No comment.
I was gonna say, what are you gonna say to that? Now I've gotta fold it into the egg mixture gently. Ooh, it looks so pretty.
You sure you're not Italian?
Here's the thing, is in the recipe it says if they, they could either be kind of hard like biscotti if you buy them store-bought, or really soft like angel food cake, and these ones are harder, so it will be okay to dip it in, because if they were really soft, then you should just brush it off. So I'm going to dust the bottom of a 2-quart pan with some cocoa powder. Look at that steam. So there's one. Yeah, we're just going to stick with that. So I'm thinking the best way to dip these is going to be using a fork and balancing it. I'm thinking because you don't want it to get too soggy. Ooh. That smells really good. Oh my gosh. I don't know if this is going to be the prettiest tiramisu, honey, but it's first time, right?
Mm-hmm.
This can be a little bit of a process, but it's really pretty easy. I always thought tiramisu was like so complicated. Oh, break it apart. Oh no, she warned against this. See, and with this middle layer, I'm just kind of going down the center because I don't know what else to do. Okay, so we have a lopsided tiramisu. because I totally did not get enough ladyfingers.
Honey, Leaning Tower of Tiramisu.
So I'm gonna put this in the fridge.
And that is how the Chris+Mel show makes tiramisu. Any famous chef, I bet you the first time they made tiramisu, I bet you it was a joke. What are you doing?
Okay, well, curiosity killed the cat, right?
You're drinking spoonfuls of espresso?
Espresso with Myers dark rum. I was just curious what it tasted like. But it just tastes like cold espresso, really. Are you making fun of me?
Wine check! Okay, that's Melissa's. So that's my glass.
Yeah, and yours was more full than mine.
Oh, yeah. Were you keeping track?
Yes,
Oh,
always.
damn it.
Especially on really good wine like this.
Damn it. All right, what are we doing right now?
We are getting some water boiling. Okay, so one other thing that I like to do a lot of times when I'm cooking in the kitchen is a little bit of like belly fit. So right now you can't see my feet, but I'm relevaing. But then all of a sudden I'll start doing like little front attitudes or whatever this is called, because it's like, oh, I've got to work out while I'm cooking. So I do dance around the kitchen sometimes. How else can you eat pasta and stay trim if you don't like work out while you wait? Is it one of those things that weirds you out about me, honey?
No. It's just you being active, that's all. I thought we had more than that.
Well, we'll have meat though too, so we'll be okay.
And
And that's actually quite a bit, because those are hefty gnocchi. It's not like the store-bought. That's some good stuff.
what are you going to put on the gnocchi?
Some basil pesto by Mazzetta. I'm also going to do up some like fresh torn basil, because that's always good. And some freshly grated Parmesan.
Yeah, that's probably enough. Still not boiling.
Yeah, that takes a while.
Do you think the GoPro could go into the boiling water?
I don't think so.
Doing good, hon. Let's go do some smooching. Come on. Some pre-dinner smooching.
We don't have time for pre-dinner smooching right now.
You sure?
I'm sure.
All right. Wine update. I'm on glass 2. I'm on glass 2. I'm feeling nice. It's good wine. I'm trying to save some for the meal, because it's always nice to have some wine to sip when you're having your meal. What's your name?
My eyes are up here.
Hey, wait. What you? We're. Oh yeah.
My name is Melissa. The water is now boiling.
I'm really getting hungry. I'm excited about this Italian meal. I've had more gnocchi though in the last month than I've had my whole lifetime.
In the last month?
Yeah, probably last 2 months.
Okay, last 2 months.
Okay, last 2 months. Yeah, because the gnocchi auditors,
track.
the gnocchi auditors would have busted us if we would have not told the truth there. All right, food update.
And that's a nice steady boil, so I'm not too worried. Okay, so I'm going to try just like lowering it down into the pot instead of dumping it back in, because I think that'll be safer.
Beautiful. Sausages. Gnocchi. What the heck is that?
That's the basil pesto.
Oh, okay. Save some for the meal.
What? Yours is gone.
Well, it's gonna go bad. I had to drink it all. Wine only lasts. It only lasts a couple minutes outside the bottle.
He's such a liar.
Melissa.
Yes.
I have a question for you.
Yes.
What is your favorite kind of food to make?
My favorite is vegan.
I don't have an answer. I sincerely don't. I do like making Italian food. It's not like super complicated, yet it's super delicious. Ooh, they're starting to flow.
Oh my gosh, they're floating. Does that mean they're done?
Yes.
Oh
So I need
my
to start scooping these babies out.
Okay, I'm gonna get out of your way.
You're so cute.
Teamwork. That looks delicious.
Basil on top. Might be a little too much basil, but is there such a thing as too much basil?
Oh, no, no, no.
Salud.
Salute. This is it, our Italian meal with homemade gnocchi, basil, sausage, Italian sausage, and Parmesan. Ooh, good job. Okay, here we go. Halos from heaven, honey. You like? Mm-hmm. Leisure testing complete. Double thumbs up, yum. Ching, ching, ching. Here, let's do. Okay, so it's now been 4 hours about. It's tiramisu time. It's gotten dark, as you can see. I've been sitting here the whole time waiting to eat tiramisu. You ready?
Okay.
Okay, let's check it out.
No, what do you think?
It looks tasty. What do you think?
I think it looks pretty good.
Are you proud of it?
Well, I haven't tasted it yet.
Why? No, but you're proud of it. Just look at there. It is. Like there it is. Look at that. It looks good.
Well, it might not be pretty on the plate, but hopefully it's pretty tasty. There's yours, okay?
I'm waiting.
Okay, I'm just cleaning up a little
I'm
bit.
not. I'm just letting you know I'm waiting.
Okay.
That's not like I'm waiting. That's a different kind of waiting.
Okay, you take the first bite because I made it.
Here's how Melissa eats. Delicious! Best thing I ever had.
You're just not gonna be able to get over
How did she do it? Okay.
This is how Chris eats 2 hours later. Oh, does he know?
It tastes like tiramisu.
Okay, good. That was the goal.
Well, honey, I have to say that was an amazing Italian excursion at home. All right. I know we already did this. Let's do it again. 2 thumbs up. Yum. Leisure testing complete, because that's what we do.
Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching the Chris+Mel Show. Be sure you take a moment and like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you keep up with the latest of the Chris+Mel Show.